Hello and good morning everyone. So right now we are here at SMDC Wind Residences. This property is located at Tagaytay City. So ngayon mag-view tayo ng isang 1-bedroom unit, 26 square meter for 3.9 million pesos. This property is a foreclosed property as is where is. So tara, pasok tayo. So upon entering the property, on my left is a small cabinet here. So you can have this removed if you want, or you can have this stay as is. So on my right naman would be our toilet and bath. So open natin. So yung toilet and bath natin, may sink, may space here, little space here, I believe for a washing machine, tank-type water closet, and an overhead shower. So yung overhead shower natin has a provision for hot and cold. So this is the main area of the unit. So yung main area natin, you can have your TV here, dining room here, you can have your sofa here, o kaya pwede mo siyang gawing bedroom na. So medyo kakaiba yung layout nito. So this unit, kung makita mo sa dulo, para siyang walang provision for aircon. So yung provision natin for air conditioning is split type, nandito siya. Tapos yung lalagyan ng condenser is located outside. So ito na yung pinaka-partition ng unit natin. So if you've seen the other video, halos pareho yung partition niya because this is owned by the same previous owner. Yan. So ito naman yung ating kitchen. So yung kitchen natin has a space here for a refrigerator. So pwede mong ilipat yung dining room mo dito if you want, para ito na yung maging bedroom mo. So ayan, so you have your overhead cabinets, granite countertop, stainless steel sink, pati under counter cabinets. And one thing that I can say dito sa unit na to, kailangan mo lang siyang linisan ng maayos. The unit still looks good. So yung halos lahat ng tiles na nakikita ko, maayos pa. Yung paint ng mga walls, maayos pa. So this can be considered a good buy sa atin. So syempre, in Tagaytay, what we are looking for is this great view na may offer ko ng mga units natin. So for this specific unit, you have the view of the amenity area, ayan, and Alfonso area, Tagaytay. So this would be your view. Ayan. So, are you interested to get this specific property? Send us a message now. Once again, this is your Condo Bro Rojo. Bye for now.